Here is how to export all data tables of the database. Here is our source connection. We are using Microsoft SQL Server here, but it can be anything. Let us check if we actually have something to export. Great, we have some data. Adding export action to the package. The source is demo. Using a mask for export. The file format is delimited. Selecting various file options. Entering the file name. We are using table name variable here because we want to create separate files. Ready to run the package. All done. We have just exported all tables of the database.